Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to report a post on Threads. Maybe you come across a content that violates the platform's guidelines and seems inappropriate. So today I'm going to show you how to report a post on Threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your home feed. Now, navigate to the post that you want to report. You can do this by scrolling through your home feed or by visiting the profile of the user who made the post. Once you have found the post, simply tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the post. This will open a menu with various options. In this menu, tap on Report. A new window will open, prompting you to choose a reason for the report. Threads provides a list of common reasons like spam, hate speech, bullying, and more. Select the reason that best describes the issue with the post. For example, I will select it is spam. Once you have selected the reason, tap on Next. After that, you now have successfully reported a post on Threads. Your report will now be sent to the Threads moderation team for review. They will investigate the post and take appropriate action based on their community guidelines. There you go. If you wanted to know how to report a post on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to report a post on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.